Voigt-Smith Innovation was a liquid de-icing manufacturer that was acquired by Boss Snowplow. So the most important part of getting into liquid de-icing is understanding the science behind it. You have to understand how liquid works and why it works. So we focus on the education aspect of things. So again, getting the customer to understand what's the proper mixture to have, what's the right application rates. So we always say you can have the most advanced sprayer in the world, but if you're not putting the right product in it, it's not going to work. So we always tell contractors, municipalities, even facility managers, make sure you have the right production equipment for salt brine. Make sure you're mixing it to the proper salinity level. And then once you have that, you can put it in your application equipment. And what the VSI equipment actually does is it helps you dial in those application rates so you're not under applying, thus it not working, and you're also not over applying, wasting product and money. So without understanding what actually is the proper mixture that goes in the sprayer, it doesn't matter the capabilities, you're not going to be successful. So once you understand, the science behind liquids, then you can put it in a sprayer with the technology that we offer, and you'll be successful.